In this lesson, we'll be discussing how to find the range of absolute value function using algebraic method. For example, if you are given that f of x is equal the absolute value of x minus 4 plus 1, find the range. Now, how do you go about finding the range of these functions? The first step is rewriting the function in terms of y. So y will give us the absolute value of x minus 4 plus 1. The next thing you want to do is to separate the absolute value term so that you are able to apply the restriction. And once that is done, you have the value of your y. So to separate this, 1 from the absolute value term, we subtract 1 from both sides. That means this 1 will cross over to this side of the equation. It becomes negative and it's subtracted here. Then it is eliminated. Therefore, it implies that our y minus 1 will give us the absolute value of x minus 4. Okay? And we apply the property. You can never have a non-positive value. You can't take the absolute value of a non-positive number, right? So we have that our x minus 4 must be greater than or equal 0. If that is the case, because y minus 1 is equal the absolute value of x minus 4, and if x minus 4 is greater than or equal 0, that will imply that our y minus 1 is greater than or equal 0. So from here, we take y over to the other side of the equation so that y can stand alone. So we are going to have y will be greater than or equal 1. Since 1 crosses over the inequality sign, it becomes 1. Now we have the value of y. We can go ahead to write our range. So we can say that our range is that y is a set of all real numbers, but y must be greater than or equal 1. Or we can as well write it in interval notation. All right, in interval notation, since 1 is included, we are going to use the square bracket. So y is from 1 to infinity. And that is the answer.